just them rabbi, sold I to the merchant ship. Minutes after them took I from the bottomless pit. But my hand was made strong by the hands of the Almighty. He forward in this generation triumphantly. Won't you help me sing these songs of freedom? That's all I ever had. Redemption song. Well, honey children, I can sing a redemption song right here on Amelia Island and things like that. Where honey children, yet about Fernandina Beach, American Beach, all of that there upon when we see islands in the Gullah Geechee Nation. And this year, yeah, one more again, the town council and the mayor, they declare this year Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week upon Amelia Island. Now, only down here, where all the pirate folk there would may have to come to one saloon forget this year. So, honey children, we going to take you inside where the mayor, the bartender, and he give we this year proclamation for the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week 2018. Take it one more again to the town of Fernandina Beach. To you.
Queen Quet, this is the High Priestess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, and this is a proclamation that we do every year, so we have royalty in the house today. And this proclamation was supposed to be given at American Beach yesterday, but there was a delay and things got a little messed up, so we're going to do it right here, right now.
Cool, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Your Highness.
It's probably the first proclamation in the saloon,
I think it probably
the oldest saloon.
You should do it at City Hall. This is great. I love this. This is awesome. Proclamation. Whereas, as the Gullah Geechee Nation is a geographic area in the Sea Islands and Low Country of North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, and Florida. This area is home to not only African American population of the United States, but a separate, long-standing name identifying them as a separate people and the lone speakers of the true, only African American Creole language in the continental United States. And whereas the Gullah Geechee people were a unique group of African Americans who were separated from the mainland by creeks, rivers, and marshes. Because of their geographic protection from outsiders and strong sense of family and community, Gullah Geechee people maintained a separate Creole language and have developed distinct cultural patterns. And whereas the isolation of these Sea Island communities was vital to the survival of the Gullah Geechee culture. Although the Gullah Geechee people traveled to and from the mainland and to nearby islands, few outsiders have ever entered the Gullah Geechee communities. This isolation, which began in colonial times in response to tropical fevers, later became an isolation of choice. And whereas within these royal isolated communities, the Gullah Geechee people were able to maintain the cultural heritage, distinctive language, cooking styles, music, arts and crafts, and religious beliefs that connected them to their West African ancestry. And whereas despite the coastal development, changing job markets, and population shifts in recent decades, the Gullah Geechee people remain a testament to the power of human adaptability and survival amid major stress assaults from many fronts in the rapidly changing economic environment of the modern world. Now, therefore, I, John A. Miller, by virtue of the authority vested in me as the mayor of the City of Fernandina Beach, Florida, do hereby proclaim July 28th through August 5th as Gullah Geechee Nation's Appreciation Week in Fernandina Beach, Florida, and I encourage all the citizens of Fernandina Beach to join the City Commission in expressing the appreciation and admiration for the Gullah Geechee Nation and the cultural influences it's had over these United States.
Thank you. They coming back. Oh, he got a sign on.
I got a sign.
They gonna make them official. But sure, we're so glad for the thing one more time. And this year time, we're so glad for 5. The most unique place I ever get awarded anything. In the saloon. And so, but appropriately the thing of the Palace Saloon and I the Queen. So the Queen coming into the palace is perfect. And so the only person that I think could have pulled that one off is Pirate Mayor Johnny Miller. So every year we're so glad to come down here to Fernandina Beach, to American Beach, part this year island and thing like that, y'all and thing like that. Where Hunter Harley, yeah, we the crack the teeth like this year. So plenty of Gullah Geechee one day and thing like that come this way from Carolina, from Georgia and thing like that and stay down here. So plenty of time when the tourists and all the rest of people that come here, they don't know so we got one culture down here. So we say take it, mayor, take it to the town council for making sure you know who been here and who ain't going nowhere to all. Take it on the children.
Thank you,
appreciate it. And so anyone who wants to participate in the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week activities, follow us at Gullah Geechee on Twitter, at Gullah Geechee on Instagram, and also if you want to come up the creek a little ways and things like that, one of the pirates so you got boats. Right? So you come on up the creek to Charleston, South Carolina for next weekend. Next Saturday, we have the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival. If we can get this guy not to throw back shots, but just serve him, we might get him up the road there. So definitely, we appreciate you and so glad for this your honor. This is amazing.